has about, I don't know how many requests, 100 requests, or I don't know, about 50 requests, something like that. And after that, it refreshes it itself the following day.
So 100 a day? And
Uh,
100 what a
something like
day?
requests. Okay, I'm not sure if it's 100 or less. The number of times you can request because every time you try to share videos on your website using the API, you're requesting the use of that API. So those number of requests, they have limits
Okay, so in other
on how
words,
many you
if I
can
had
make.
more than 100 people go to my website and want to watch one show in one day, it would stop
That
after.
yeah,
Well, then
so it may.
do we need to find another route then?
I think so. I don't know. They might be having maybe a paid plan if you want to extend the number of requests you want to receive, or the other option is if we try it out, figure out how to use the how is it called the stream EAD method, because I discover StreamYard also has a way of adding in there. So not so sure. I've not yet tried out that. Yeah.
Well, there are some plugins for YouTube, right? That you can just get a plugin for WordPress and it will play and add the chat, because that's something that I was hoping we'd have, is the chat.
Yes, there are plugins like that, but most of them are paid and you pay monthly because I think they are about like $40 a month. But
$40?
yes, but I already coded it so it is possible. But all even them they use the API. You have to create your own API with Google and put it. So even it has that same limitation because they don't use their own personal APIs. The section you have to insert your own API, and every API request from Google has that limitation. So even them, it's the same thing.
And I thought we could embed StreamYard. What happened to that idea?
Yes, now that's the idea which I thought we can get sometime and then try it out. Then we see how that works.
Okay, well, I'm live on a third one, so if you want to check to see if anything's changed.
Okay. I want to assume maybe my tokens are done for the API request. Let me just check with these other categories, see what will tell me.
So that shouldn't be showing up in the real and raw.
We'll go back. Seems like I found. Oh.
Yeah, the only one that should be showing up in the real and raw is the one that says it right there, the real and raw with Nelson Castile, School of the Empire.
I think the playlist. I think I got the playlist link wrongly. I might have to relook for the right playlist for the real and raw.
Well, if it's pulling off of the main website, I don't have those separated into different playlists yet. That's what I'm going to have to do. I'm going to have to go in and make new playlists.
Because I think you had sent it to me, that the playlist for real and raw.
Yeah, in the back end, all the playlists are there for the back end, but they're not there on the main Gil Hodges podcast. So if you're pulling those from the main, Gil Hodges podcast, it doesn't have those playlists. So I'll have to make them.
No, I was pulling them from the links you sent. I don't know where the links are, either at the back end or the other side, but I think I might have mistaken the one for Roland Gross, so I might have to look for it, or if you're able to resend it to me, that would be very helpful. Because it seems like I missed it.
Okay, you need the link to what then again?
The Roland Gross playlist.
Okay, and again, it's only in the back end.
Okay.
So let me get that for you. And there's nothing in there. Well, that one video that I threw in there just to make it work.
Okay.
All right, so I just put it into WhatsApp.
Okay. Now, I really do not know why I am not seeing it. Could be like my tokens are done for the API. Yeah. Oh, they don't want to pick up, you know.
So I don't know what that means. You say your tokens are up for the API. I'm not sure what that
Like,
means.
no, like this, what I was just simply saying that the reason why it might not be showing me, like you can notice right now, just saying there is video unavailable. It could be because it is failing. Okay. But this time, are you still streaming?
Yeah.
I don't know why. Let me try something. Let me try to do this. Let me try to just go to a random uh, and then live stream that could be happening. So this is what I am thinking of trying. I am thinking of trying to pick any live stream from any random channel on YouTube and test it to see if for that channel it will work.
Mm-hmm.
Then if that works, then that the problem now might be coming to maybe how we are live streaming from StreamYard or something like that.
So it looks like, I mean, I'm looking at StreamYard. It says that we can just embed the code on the website.
Okay.
I would rather try that, because if we can get that to work, that would be super cool. That would just be fantastic, because then I've got all the chat, because it says it'll do the chat as well. Shall we look at that?
Okay. And try out that.
All right, I'm going to end that